Sige kay sa karon atong demo kung saan paggamit sa LAA evaluation system. So muna siyang mga account in present sa karon. So principal, so muna siyang account without data pa. We have so admins, we have principal, treasurer, coordinator, and registrar. Tara. So coordinator na siya. And then sa teacher, muna siya ang UI inside the teacher now. So same na sila sa non-teaching nga nigapon, but the difference is the form nga ilang i-evaluate. So for the student, ingani ang UI. So dili mangita mamili og form ang student. Uh, so ang take approve dayon, so mo ni siya ang account for approval. So college special admin. So ang purpose sa ning account is to only approve comments nga ma-receive. So here, dito pili kung kani siya is kinsa padulong. So let's say if teachers padulong ang evaluation, so makita nato diri tanan teachers padulong nga evaluation. So for non-teaching and for admin. So here, recent approved. So rin makita mga previous approved. So pwede pa nimo siya ma-edit even if na-approve na siya. So let's try. So let's say mo-evaluate tag student. So muna siyang evaluation. Ano siya is madulong siya sa picture. So for now, we have don't have data yet. Subject, so makita lang sa itong gamit. Scan, picture, so evaluate to zero, dun sa send. So here, makita na to ang evaluation form. So, pati mga question here, and then diri ang rating. So, mamili ang gani. Submit. So, evaluated successfully. Then, so, pwede na ito maka-evaluate with otro. So, ang katong i-evaluate na to, which is ang zero, that zero is nawala siya dali. Okay. Then, let's try to open the picture zero if na ba siya. So, as you can see, wala pa data available since dili pa approved by the special admin. So, once ma-approve sa special admin, ay na rin siya magawa sa mga respective accounts. So, let's try to approve it. So, as you can see, since padulong ang evaluation sa teacher, so teacher tang ipili and non-admin, so wala sa gawas. So, we have an option here nga approve individually or approve all, meaning i-approve niya tanan, even what asa padulong or teaching or na admin, approve siya. So, let's try to approve. So, approve successfully. Then, moabot din siya diri. So, try na tong edit. Okay, so, na siya. Then, let's see sa account if tama siya. So, as you can see, muna siya ang mga question. Then, mo din siya ang question, rating per question. So, mo din siyang overall na rating. You can see each question. So, mo siya, since sa teacher, duha man ang maka-evaluate, student and co-workers. So, you have this option. If i-click natin siya, wala siya available na data here. This one, muna siyang mga comments. So, we have a color coding. So, blue stands for student na nag-comment. And then this yellow stands for coworker. So here you can change suggestion or comments. So that's all for teacher account. For principal account, so let's try to open. So as you can see here, the master list. So ang nigawas to ang teacher nga gi-evaluate. So since nato there is a student evaluation of teaching, so mo rin siya magawas. And then if ato sa lain evaluation form, so since wala man nag-evaluate ana, so wala jud siya magawas. Okay. And then mo ni siya ang list of student nga naka-evaluate na. Since ang student zero is nag-evaluate na, so mawala siya dire. And then kanang comment is for the admin. Then so mo ni let's try to evaluate and so here let's say this is for admin evaluation. So let's try to evaluate register and so dili ta maka-proceed if wala na to na kumpleto ang form. So we need to complete it before click proceed. Kaya ano, dili na to siya ma-proceed. Then submit. So balik siya dere. So as usual, mawala atong gi-evaluate dere. So atong gi-evaluate kayo na is the registrar. So let's open the special link for moving account or editing comments. So, since atong gi-evaluate is padulong sa admin, so di na to siya makita din sa teachers. But pag mo ato tag-admin, so dito din na to makita ang admin nga. So, as you can see here, so muna siyang nag-evaluator, then muna siyang gi-evaluate. So, let's try to comment. Okay, so, changes updated na. Then, let's try to approve all. Okay, so nawala na siya. And then, let's open the register. So as you can see, nigawas ang comment gikan sa principal. Then this is the rating. And then ang makita na to ang master list niya is diri sa administrator evaluation. So makita na to diri ang evaluate which is a registrar of rating, then rating per question. So if i-hover na lang siya, mabalaan na to unsay kana nga question all about. See. And then this is the pie chart per question. So una siyang mga students evaluated, admin evaluated, teacher evaluated, and non-teaching evaluated. I think that's all. So thank you for watching.